Oh. Whoa. Oh. All right. Hey, good morning, Ninja. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. How are you guys doing? So I'm gonna check real quick if everything is working properly, but it should. YouTube. So I know we are okay on Twitch, but I don't know if we're okay on YouTube. And yes, we are. Perfect. Perfect. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah. Hello, Gerarder. Loper. I'm gonna call you Gerard. Gerard. The one Crufix. VT, what's up, boys? What's up, what's up? Giving Plasma 6 CachyOS a test run at the moment. Few teething issue, but mostly work fine. HDR, work color a bit distorted, etc. Yeah. Yo, salut Camille. Comment vas-tu? Okay, so today we're gonna do two things. Okay, today we're gonna do two things. First thing is like I'm gonna show you like we're still on Nobara here, and I was planning to make a review video, but I just didn't have time. So maybe it's gonna come out, you know, during the week, next week. I don't know when. I think I'm gonna keep it a little bit more. So because I'm running out of SSD, I'm running out of SSD right now. So wait, I'm gonna show you real quick. Yes. So this is Nobara, and see my SSD here. So I have Windows there. This is the one I'm gonna use here. This one. It's an external SSD. And here, this is my. What am I saying? I don't even know. Oh yeah, this one is my cache, and this one is my Nobara. Okay, so I want to keep Nobara because I want to make a good review of Nobara. I already know the direction I'm gonna take for this review. I don't want to spoil it. It's a good distro, guys. I think it's a good distro. I'm just going to show you like just something in advance for the guy who are like watching it live right now. I have some problem with some of the package, okay, when I just do a simple upgrade. So those problems are not real problem, but it kind of show the way this distro is structured and how it could hurt the user on the long term. And I think I need to talk about that, but outside of that, like you see OBS still works and whatever, like it doesn't break the system. But it kind of show you that the day Glorious Eggroll doesn't want to fix those issues, well, nobody's going to do it. What is this distro, boys? Where are you digging to find this kind of distribution, man? So, Camille, like, I found this distribution through my, the commentaire? How do we say? It's a comment. I'm tired, guys, today. I found this distro through the comments on my YouTube video. And some viewers were like, hey, you need to try Bazzite OS. So Bazzite OS, we're gonna look at it together, okay? But we're gonna look at it, dude. Happy Friday, good sir. Been alright week. My wife got me Ashoka's lightsaber replica for my birthday next week. They are beautiful. Whoa, okay. So I guess happy delayed birthday, Ninja. I've had to install a M2 NVMe riser in one of my PCIe slots to get more M2 option. Yeah, so I don't have space on my PC anymore because I have a 10 gigabyte card. And yeah, that's gonna be a pain, dude. But yeah, I feel you. I got one of those and they're really cheap and they work really well. Ask and you shall receive. I asked about Bazzite on the Nobara stream and here we go. Exactly the one, Crufix. You see? But you were not the only one, dude. You were not the only one to ask. Greeting from Spain. Congratulations for your great work. Hey, thank you, Sergio. Appreciate it. I got QuickSync working on the Flatpak OBS. Was pretty happy with that simple yet hard to find fix. Okay. Okay, so this is what we are doing right now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you Bazzite, like Bazzite. I don't even know how to pronounce this thing. Bazzite Linux. And we're gonna look at it together. I think they have a website, yeah. Okay, and this is their GitHub. So we're gonna start with the website. Okay. So, long story short, as I understand it, it's an immutable distro made for gaming based on the Fedora immutable. Long story short. Okay, but I've seen some content creators spending time on it, so I was like, maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's worth a shot. Right? What distro have you used the most? For server, it would have been Debian, dude. Debian, Gentoo. And for like desktop, it's Arch. I'm an Arch guy, guys. So this is an alternative to Nobara. Yeah, it's some type of like alternative. Okay, so we were into the Nobara vibe with the Fedora vibe. I'm like, let's get a little bit deeper and see if we can find something like that. And because you mentioned it, guys, I was like, okay, let's try it. I might be a little bit rough, okay? I want to be honest with you because I made a video on Kinoit, which is a Fedora immutable based on KDE. And like it was not good, dude. Where did I put that? Where did I put this baby? Yeah, this one. 4 months ago. I'm telling you, dude, it didn't go well at all. Okay, it didn't go well at all. So I know I'm a little bit cutthroat, but okay. So let's see the presentation and see how it goes. Okay, let's be optimistic. Bazzite or Bazzite. How do I pronounce that? Bazzite or Bazzite? Bazzite, I guess. Bazzite is a custom image built on Fedora Atomic technology, so the immutable, that brings the best of Linux gaming to all your device. Yep, even your favorite handheld. Okay? Featuring a rock-solid base with automatic update and 90 days of rollback. Ooh. Play your favorite games. Bazzite comes with ready-to-rock with Steam and Lutris pre-installed, AGR support for AMD GPU, System76 scheduler for automatic process priority, and numerous community-developed tools for your gaming needs. Okay, I have to say the website is not bad. Battle-tested stability. Thanks to OS3 technology, after every update, the previous version of the operating system is retained on your machine. This means you should an update. Okay, there is a typo here. This means should an update cause any issue. Okay, my bad. This means should an update cause any issue, you can select the previous image at boot. Additionally, images are retained in our repository for 90 days. and can be selected via the terminal. NVIDIA driver update broke something you needed? No worries. Rebase the last known good release and pin it so that it's retained as long as needed. Dude, I like how they choose the NVIDIA driver update, bro. Upgrading my driver. Okay, yeah, no. Okay. It did cause problem. Okay, it did cause problem sometime, alright? But okay, I'm gonna say it straight. I think we are like a little bit too harsh toward Nvidia, dude. Like they are doing shady stuff and whatever, but I still believe they are not the only one, but they are the only one like taking the slap in the face from the Linux community. That's just my 2 cents, okay? Like, no worries, rebase the last known good release and pin it so that it's retained as long as needed. Yes. Experience Enterprise class security with out-of-the-box SE Linux and secure boot support. Oh, they do have secure boot. Okay. Run your favorite apps. Okay, so you're going to be running via FlatHub and DistroBox. Okay. Use your favorite desktop environment. So they propose KDE, GNOME, and that's all. Steam, we know it's delivered out of the box. And work with your hardware, not for it. Out of the box support for Xbox 360, Wii, Switch, PS3, PS5. Wow, that's good. NVIDIA driver, okay. And hardware enablement. Bazzite chips with support for additional Wi-Fi adapter, display standard like, display link, and more. What the heck? NVIDIA is a primal evil in the Linux community thanks to Linux. Hello, Bronek. That's true. That's true, dude. And if you look, maybe we could look at this interview, man. Before we start that, if you want to, we could look at the interview, or at least at the little moment where he mentioned NVIDIA and he gives a finger, right? He mentioned NVIDIA because the question asked was about the laptop and the fact that most of the laptop come pre-built with NVIDIA. And obviously, Linus, he gave a big finger to NVIDIA. But then, if you listen to him, he said that NVIDIA is not the only one. Like, a lot of companies are not working with them. Took a long time for NVIDIA to open up the ID for open source driver in any functional way. Yeah, like they will never open their driver. Like they are just opening like the blob, right? Even though like I'm saying something stupid. No, they are not even opening that. So it's they don't have to, guys. Like this is what you need to understand. Like they don't have to. You know, it's like, let's say you have this uncle which is a billionaire, right? And he doesn't even know what to do with his money. Would you think it's unfair? Would you like tell him that he's a bad person because he's not giving you money? He doesn't have to. Simple as that, dude. It's his money, he made it. The same with NVIDIA, like they don't have to open their driver. QPelix, happy Friday, dude. How are you doing? To be fair, I switched from NVIDIA to AMD. It's absolutely night and day. Yeah, I can't imagine, dude. Like, because you have everything working out of the box, which is great. But I think before the end of the year, we're going to get there with NVIDIA. It won't be as user-friendly as AMD because it's going to be from, you know, like the maintainer to do that. But I think before the end of this year, we're going to be solid, boys. Sunrising Prime Wheel. All I want is his money. But you know, you can't. This is some type of like analogy, right? But like, you can't blame the dude. Your uncle is billionaire. Well, if he doesn't want to give you cash, well, you can't be bad about it. Like it's his right. I'm considering a RDNA 5 or RDNA 6 card. Pretty sure RDNA 4 will be a disappointment, much like, yeah. I heard a lot of good things actually about AMG, dude. Like, if AMG, they create the best GPU ever, like, I would switch right away. Like, I wouldn't discuss it. Not for sure. So join the community. Okay. They have a Discord, discourse. Dude, I don't even know what is discourse. What is that? And GitHub. Okay. Oh, so they put the latest driver in it. So let's see. So it was 3 weeks ago. Okay, so it was not bad, dude. It was not bad. They pushed it like maybe, yeah, not that long ago. Like maybe 1 week, 1 week after the release. Okay. Okay, guys, I want to go. You know, I don't want to be negative right off the bat, so we're gonna try to be as objective as we can. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't want to start Nvidia fanboy versus AMG fanboy in this chat. I'm sorry about that. Let's not get into this direction, okay? That was not my expectation. Just, man, Nvidia is such a sensible subject, bro. Like, this is, everybody's like, whoa, but my AMG, my Nvidia. Boys. Cheers. Yeah, don't talk about the Eternal War. Bro, the Eternal War. Red versus green. What is cool about that you don't have to do anything, you just receive the update on your system and it's good to go. Always, every day, without any input from your part. So wait, what are we talking about? Are we talking about this Bazzite distro? So what do we have on the GitHub? Real quick. Guys, I don't want to spend too much time. We're going to get right into it, but... Okay, so here they go a little bit more in detail. Trying to see if there is something interesting. Oh, they have Waydroid pre-installed. Man, it looks like they did a good job. X-Wayland video bridge. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna have to try that, dude. I don't think they have the explicit sync patch. Yeah. They don't have the explicit sync. Darn. It doesn't look like they have it. We're gonna see, but I don't think they have it, dude. NVK available on non-NVIDIA build. So what it means that if I want to try NVK, I just have to install this distro. I will be good, dude. Oh yeah, Camille, you just saw it too, huh? HDR available in game mode. Yes, that's what it is. That's what it is. It's through GameScope, dude. If it has Plasma 6, then it has explicit sync, mate. No, like you need to add a patch. You have to patch EGL-Wayland on Arch. Even with Plasma 6, bro. So man, I think it could be a good one. They have a lot of stuff like already out of the box. Like this is a lot of changes. and you tested XCOM 2. So this is a trick. Like the explicit sync, it will be really helpful in certain game, in certain case scenario. Like you could run some application and never need explicit sync. So that's why it's kind of like tricky, right? So you guys think it's good, huh? Yeah, okay. I think we are all aligned here. I think the distro has some like serious good base there. Steam Deck, Home Theater, PC. What? Variant designed for usage as an alternative to SteamOS on the Steam Deck and for a console-like experience on HTPC. Available as Bazzite Deck. Boo! Boys! I won't read everything, I'm just going through it, and I'm telling you, like, this is not bad. I don't understand why you would install that on the Steam Deck, for example, but I do understand why you would install that on another portable, right? Device, you know what I mean? Like, I think it would be great. Yeah, I've noticed the anti-sync patch to the 79 Vivir. Well, that's good. Okay, so I already downloaded the ISO. You see, alternative handheld. So they have ISO just for that too. Bon. Rogali, Legion Goat theme. Man, this is awesome. So I'm gonna pass on GNOME because I'm not a fan of GNOME. But what do they do? Variable refresh rate support under Wayland. So they push the patch already. Anabi extension included for similar feature. Okay. Numéro. Okay. Automatic up. Bro. Okay, on paper, this is solid. You see, it's based on Universal Blue, which is, I believe, is a fork. No, it's not a fork, dude. Yeah, it's a fork from the Fedora immutable, right? Okay, wait, just for us to understand. Universal Blue Linux. What is it exactly? This is a collection of container image using Fedora support for OC Docker containers that transport Satner's the Chromebook. Yeah, okay, so this is exactly what I said, right? Okay, so yeah, that's a fork from a fork. Yep. Interesting, dude, but we're gonna see. Oh, and they have all the custom packages there. Mongoad packages built failed. Oh. Man, it's getting pretty popular, huh? Alright, so if I download it, I think this is where it was interesting, because I already downloaded it, guys. I prepared my stream, okay? I don't want to come here like naked. So what hardware are you using? You see, you can choose. Desktop, KGE, and then you choose boom. But now, let's say I have a home theater, and I have... wait, let's refresh. Maybe it doesn't work this way. So let's say I have a home theater. Okay, so the home theater would have exactly the same... Yeah, it would be the same ISO. And now let's say I have a Asus Li. Oh, they have a specific one, you see? Hello Prashant. I've been using Bazzite for a month and it's really good. Hello Hans, how are you doing? Yeah, that's based on the immutable ISO from Fedora. They have many images for all the situation. Yeah, it's pretty good. Like, and let's say we go for a Asus laptop. Bazzite, Asus, Nvidia, ISO. What the heck? Man, this is awesome. Is this distro rolling or stable? It's gonna be a stable distro, I believe, or semi-rolling, because it's Fedora, right? So it's gonna be every 6 months. Gerard, what distro are you using, Gerard? Are you on Kashi? Okay, let's get into it, boys. I want to try it. I want to try it really hard. So I'm gonna plug the USB key. We're gonna reboot, and we're gonna see how everything goes. Okay? Oh, well, we can stay like that. 1 second, chat. So you are on Arch or on Kashi? Because on Kashi, it's already patched out of the box by the Kashi team. If you are on Arch, you need to do it manually and get the package from the AUR. All right, boys. So let's focus on Bazzite, okay? I know you're all doing your things, but let's focus on Bazzite a little bit. I put the ISO. I'm gonna double check, but we should be fine. Yes, it's here. Oh boy, what a time to be alive. So Kashi OS, you have nothing to do. It's already patched. If you say you are on Arch, it's a different story, right? But on Kashi OS, you have literally nothing to do. Everything is patched. That's why I love it so much. Okay, this distro, if it's working, could be a really good contender, I believe, for the challenge of Gaming Linux France. I don't know if Vince know about it, but that could be a really good one, boys. Install Bazzite NVIDIA 39. Yes. Are you excited? I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited, I have to say. I saw the potential of a Kinoite, for example. You know, immutable, solid distro. But sometimes his lack of flexibility to add stuff was really bad. So I'm thinking maybe if someone do all the job behind the scene, like it seems like they're doing with Bazzite, it could be great. So English, okay. Alors keyboard. Okay, so that's a basic installation, right? Okay, so I added my keyboard layer pretty quick. Language support is okay. Time, no, we are not in Chicago. We are in Toronto. Toronto, papa. Okay. Root account is disabled. I like that. Disk. This one. Okay, so this is my external hard drive. Storage configuration, automatic. Okay, I'm gonna do everything automatic and then we're gonna see. Your current Bazzite NVIDIA software selection required, including, you have specified, you don't have enough space. Reclaim space. Oh. Okay, so you need to click that. Free up space by removing or shrinking existing partition. Oh, what did I do, Chad? Am I actually in Toronto? Yes, I am. Storage configuration, automatic, so I'm gonna try that. Okay. Delete. Delete all. Voilà. Okay. I like that. And user, we're gonna go Air Max. La crème de la crème, papa. Add administrative privilege to this account. Yes, required. Password to use this account. Password. It's weak, but I don't care. Press done again to use the password anyway. Yes. So we should be good, right? I used to live in Woodstock. I'm now in Sudbury. Oh, okay, nice, dude. Canadian fellow here. What's up? Okay, so that's good. Gerard plus interloper, that's the name. Okay. Okay. Not a huge fan on the Fedora ecosystem. I tried Nobara, but that mostly focus on AMD open source stuff, minimal NVIDIA testing. Nobara is not bad, dude. In order to get AGR working under Plasma 6 without the S hitting the fan, I had to use... Oh, this is what you had to use? Okay, I'm gonna have to try that. Hey, thanks, Gerard, for telling me that, dude. Hey, Xero, what's up, buddy? We'll see, dude. I'm pretty excited. Sorry about that. Pretty excited about this distro. I see we have a lot of fans of immutable distro in the chat, huh? That's good. Hello, Bedtime Bear. Nobara has been really good overall. There has been some shenanigans with Plasma 6 update, but overall, for day-to-day and gaming and easy of use, it has been nice. Yeah, I agree. I'm swimming, dude. I'm swimming. We are swimming in the install. I don't know why it's taking us so long. I think the record of fast installed has to be given to PKOS. Dude, PKOS, I pressed installed, and like 4 seconds after, I was good to go. But here I can tell, like, it's like... Ah, okay, we're good. We did it. So my guess is like he's maybe downloading something. I'm wondering. Ah, voila, done. Okay, so I was fast, my bad. Okay. I didn't see the thing going, and it makes me think about NixOS, right? Where nothing happens. It's like NixOS, exactly, yeah. That's what I thought. Okay, so we good. Let's reboot this baby. I'm spamming my button to choose the right hard drive to boot. Ooh, papa, Bazzite. Bazzite. I don't want to do that. Do I need to do that, chat? What is this? Hello, Daznik. Plasma 6 is here. Is there any compatibility for video wallpaper or anything like that? Dude, I have no idea. Yeah, I don't want that. So I'm gonna do continue boot. I don't have secure boot enabled, like. I don't do that, bro. I don't need it. Disable secure and fast boot cause issues. Oh, I don't think I have a fast boot disabled. But secure boot, I'm pretty sure it's disabled on my machine. I think for Plasma 6, yeah, Xero is right. Like, be careful because I tried to install a theme on SDGM, and he broke one of my machine. I think just wait a little bit, or at least not try to apply like the old theme to the new one. Just use Breeze. This is pretty interesting, huh? So, just for the viewer that maybe don't understand like secure boot and what it's required, I do believe that Windows 11 enforce secure boot. So, if you want to install another distro on the side, most of the distros, they don't support secure boot. That's why like having like this distro supporting it will give you the opportunity to have, for example, on one hard drive like Windows 11 and the other like Bazzite, and you wouldn't have to change the option each time you want to switch from one OS to the other. Right? This is the idea. Because if you are only on Linux, well, you don't need secure boot. You can add it, but... Hey, hello Joseph. I just installed Linux Mint Cinnamon with better FS on my main machine. Cool. Congrats, man. I'm guessing you're using the Linux Mint Edge edition, right? With the 6.5 kernel? Okay, it's booting, guys. I'm not worried. It's our first boot. We're gonna take it slow. I'm pretty sure that when everything is gonna be set up, we're gonna be flying. So, again, like, let's try to be positive. I know it's long, but at the way like this immutable like system is structured, like it can be really long. What a boot! What a boot, guys! This is insane! We are 10 minutes deep into the boot! How are we gonna get out of this boot hole? Windows 12 will be silly. It's going to be interesting watching people jump. So, man, okay, I have an example for you, dude. So my wife has a laptop, okay? The laptop is a beast. Okay, like it's an old laptop, but it is a beast. Okay, like to me, it's a really good laptop compared to the $100 laptop I own in my life. Anyway, so this laptop is really good, and it came out of the box with Windows 10. And you would say like Windows 10 for doing like, you know, Office type of stuff should be enough, right? But guess what? Every now and then, Windows 10 decides that my LAN printer doesn't want to scan for whatever reason. And when I go to Linux and I scan, everything works. Like, this is stupid, dude. Like, I would say right now, if you are just doing office work and you don't need a specific software like Adobe or anything, just go on Linux. Like Linux is a better option. So I can't imagine with Windows 12. Like, I don't want to think about Windows 11, but imagine Windows 12, dude. This is probably because they are applying all the change, yes. Windows 12 supposedly being subscription is why I jumped to Linux, and it's how I discovered Air Max. Makes sense, buddy. I felt really sad when Microsoft locked DX12 behind Windows 11, painted the ugly picture of things to come. What? Aura, no, you're good, brother. You're good. So, guys, I don't have the notification again. Did we get any type of membership gift? Oh man, I need to fix that. Windows 12 will be a total failure seeing what they are doing with the Windows 11. Okay, guys, this is the loading. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, if you have given to the community and if you supported me financially, I say thank you to you, okay? I'm gonna always look at the log after, and I try to thank, in the specific case, I need to finish to set up my streaming stuff here with the multi-streaming and everything, so sorry about that, but I thank you, okay? Like, this is really important. Thank you very much. So we do have a black screen right now, huh? Ah. Now what? I think it's a system crash, dude, because I can't even go to the TTY. Yeah, system crash. The heck? Okay, I'm gonna do a hard reset and we will be back. I don't even know what's going on. I have a black screen, it's popping on and off. Should I wait, chat? Are we still booting? Oh! Dude, what happened? I didn't reboot it, bro. What is going on, dude? Okay, so we are back apparently. It kind of like turned itself off by itself. It was finishing conf? Okay. So he proposed you the login, but it's still finishing the conf? Okay, I'm gonna push Wayland again. Wish me luck, boys. Mouse is not working, so maybe I should boot into X11. Okay, this time I reset it. Ah, the beauty of immutable, huh, boys? Oh, works so good. Huh? It's such a wonderful experience. $345 FPS black screen? Why do you say that, Ant? Why do you say that? Okay. I'm gonna go to X11, dude. I'm not scared. Okay? It's gonna be fine. Everything is fine. Et voilà, chat! Et voilà! Et voilà! La puissance! Sorry if I scream, but I had to. Okay, welcome to Bazzite. Hello. Configure your system to get started. This utility can be reopened at any time. Okay, next. So what do we do here? Wait. Alright, now we are good. I don't want to kill my eyes on a 60 Hz screen, like, come on. All right, so add input to group to current user. No, game mode startup video. Add the Bazzite theme startup video for Steam game mode. Fix Steam download speed. Ah, that's good. Oh, you can install Sunshine like that? That's good. Application to control support steering wheel. I like that, dude. I do believe this is the future of Linux. It just needs a little bit more tweaking, dude. A configurator for routing keyboard. What? This is awesome, dude. Okay. I guess we're gonna do just that. Hello, Dorlord. I can't. Wait. I missed that, Aurora. You can click on the arrow on the right to see more options. I didn't see it, dude. Ah, installation complete. Okay. Next. Green with envy. Hybrid. So this I don't need. And I don't want to overclock my NVIDIA card, but that's good. Install. Top left next. Okay, yeah, I got it, I think. I just read your message a little bit later. It's my bad. X11 en GNOME. Hey, Joseph. Please be smooth, okay? We are a nice community and stuff, and there is no point of like, you know. We understand your point of view, but you need to understand like everybody can have a different point of view too, right, Joseph? He has NVIDIA, so that can be complicated with Wayland first time boot if things aren't set up right. I suspect he hasn't gotten the latest NVIDIA driver or kernel. Yeah, we're gonna look at that. I'm just moving forward here and trying to see. Oh, those one. Got it. Okay, now I get what you are saying, Aurora. Okay, got it. So we're gonna go with Firefox. Where is Firefox? The heck? Okay, Firefox is here, so I don't need more. Gaming. So what do we have in gaming? We're gonna put Discord. I don't want to go too hard there, dude. We're gonna go pretty simple. Discord should be enough. I think Steam is already installed, so we're gonna do that. I don't like the fact that you selection something here, but it doesn't show off there. You know what I mean? It should be blue now. Emulation, no. Streaming to internet. OBS. Music. Okay. Office productivity. We're gonna put GIMP to test the actual like theme. Okay. And utilities. What do they have? Okay, and open RGB just for the fun of it. All right, install. So show us the console to see what it's doing. Okay, I'm showing you the console right now. I don't use VLC, Joseph. I like MPV better. But I respect the hassle, dude. VLC is definitely good too. So here I believe is just installing through a Flatpak. So I found a very nice Flatpak Discord spin called Vesktop. Oh, never heard of it, Gerard. Vesktop. The heck is this? Okay, I'm gonna write the name because I'm gonna forget otherwise. I'm getting old, boys. Vesktop. Yes, I believe it is Flatpak. Yeah, definitely Flatpak. That means that all my themes, they won't work. We'll see if it's out of the box, but... Okay. Next. All done. Install more application, documentation, forum. Reboot now. No, I would like to update now. So if I do that, what is gonna open? Okay, discover. Okay. So how do we upgrade this baby? Okay, let's see the driver first. Boys, we have the latest driver loaded. We have them, so it's on. And this is their terminal emulator, I guess, so we call it. So let me check something, boys. What is this? What? Click here to view the initial documentation. No. Add user to input group. BIOS. Boot into this device. BIOS. Change log. Clean system. Clean up all container and Flatpak. Configure Broadcom. Configure Grub. Configure NVIDIA. Configure the NVIDIA driver. Bro. I like that. So do you understand that? When you want to, for example, like load different module and stuff, I'm guessing that this is some type of like alias for making your upgrade like simple, right? Want to check the kernel? Okay, we're going to check the kernel. I just want to see that real quick, okay? Configure power profile, distro box, enabled. Unroll secure boot key, okay. Fix Gmod 64 beta for probably work on Linux. Enable Xwell and video bridge. Install. So, okay, those are just alias. I'm just reading them, boys. Trying to see. I like this, man. Toggle NVK is pretty fun, man. I like that. Update system, Flatpak, and container all at once. Alias for upgrade. Okay, so you just tap update and should be good to go. Okay. Oh, you just. So you just update. Okay, my bad, my bad, my bad. I like that chat. So let's see before we finish that. Whoa. How did I... anyways. Can't zoom anymore. So we have the 6.7.6 F-Sync ready to go, dude. Oh, but we are still on Plasma 5. Okay. Guys, you were telling me since the beginning what to do. And I didn't read you. Like I'm the worst, guys. I do believe we have the latest, guys. $90 days for the image, so you need to wait for KDE6. Mm. We're gonna be patient, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I think obviously like this is not a. We'll see. Let's give it a try, okay? Hey, hello Ikara, how are you doing, buddy? I think that's why the initial boot was so long. You already have the latest. So I'm thinking, guys, like if we are on the latest, like why don't we have why don't we have Wayland working? It should be working, man. So now it's downloading 5.6 gigabytes. It looks like it did. We're gonna wait. But you see, like, man, that's the only problem I have with this techno. That and the fact that if someone doesn't give you like the full like alias like that, you're gonna be in trouble to do all those updates by yourself. You know, that's the only issue I have with it. Just disable immutable. I don't think you can disable immutable like that, dude. I don't think it works that way. So the one crew fix, like you confirm like it works without issue. Are you using an NVIDIA card too? Just to make sure. I can't zoom anymore. I don't know why. Like, like what is this? Comparing to NixOS, I think this is a pain to download a full image every update. Yeah, but this is what it's all about, right, Camille? Like, that's what it's all about. Because you have to think about the download, but you also have to think about the writing. You see, I'm just using a normal SSD right now, and not like, you know, an NVMe SSD, and look. Prashant, I'm using Bazzite NVIDIA Wayland works here. Okay, so we'll reboot toward Wayland after, just for the science. All right, chat? Okay, so the one crew fix confirm is running NVIDIA card, so dude. Okay, so we'll see. Maybe it's just toward this ISO and we need to set up everything. Oh, he look for the firmware update. So what did he do here? Firmware upgrade? What the heck, bro? Upgraded. You see EGL GBM. So I think this is the one was maybe blocking. Is that the name? I think EGL GBM is the name of the package for EGL Wayland. We went from 1.1 to 1.1-4. Maybe it's the one. I don't know. Hopefully it's going to be the one. No, watch. It looked like we were pretty up to date, boys. Okay, we're gonna reboot. Tu es français? Oui, Artanis. But I'm living in Canada, like in the English part, for the last 10 years. And I was a streamer on Twitch for the last, I don't know, 3 or 5 years. And I started to stream in English to improve my English. And most of my community is English, so. Okay, here we go. Oh, Joseph is in great shape, huh? Oh, Joseph! Come down, please. So did you type your password? I had to type my password, Gerard. Okay, do we try again? Do we try again on Wayland? Ah! Yeah, sorry. Like I'm trying to put some rhythm in the stream from time to time. So we are on Wayland, boys, and look at this. Ah. Okay, look at this. Look at this beast. Oh boy. Okay, this is not bad, huh? Hello, Footmoose. I was wondering about testing new Linux distribution all the time. Is that a big tiring to have to test and try a setup an OS all the time that suits your use? I used to be a distro hopper, and that's one of the things that made me tired before I came across Arch. So, Footmoose, so first, I hope I'm pronouncing your name well, okay? Fartmouse, yeah, Fartmouse. So, bro, I'm an Arch user, okay? I'm a big fan of Arch, and especially CachyOS. but I have like several hard drive when I want to try different distro because I think it's great for content and for the community to discover stuff, right? So right now I'm testing Bazzite. 2 days ago we're testing Nobara. 1 week ago we're testing PKOS or NixOS. I don't even remember. We are testing a lot of distro. And I think this is fun, you know, because those videos are going to stay on YouTube. And if someone is like, oh, what is the experience with Air Max with this distro? Well, I just type the distro name and it's going to have like a real feedback of the distro install and how it works on a high-end type of material. Okay, so I'm gonna ask something simple. How do I install fast fetch? Let's say I want to install fast fetch. I'm gonna ask something really simple, I believe. Okay, so normally you should go there and be like fast fetch. I know it won't be there, but okay, so it's not there. Doesn't work. So you just install. No. So this is for their own stuff. Okay, so I'm a total noob. I don't know how to install fast fetch on this specific distro. How do we do it? Install fast fetch on Bazzite. Okay, and this is where sometimes I'm like, why? You should use RPM OS3. But I'm thinking if you are a newbie, right? And you try to install something like that. Because you see your favorite streamer showing off his fast fetch. You know what I mean? On immutable OS, everything should be Flatpak. I agree with you, dude. But you see, like... Let's see this one. RPM OS3 command. Okay. Now we're gonna try like that. There is a Flatpak package manager in the bottom bar. So are we talking about Discover, dude? We're talking about Discover, huh? So obviously fast fetch won't be in a Flatpak. So if I do OS3, okay, Joseph, I'm gonna ask you to stop because I'm gonna ban you, bro. What are you doing, dude? Hello, Logidroid. So really, I'm just playing the noob here. I'm like, is it hard to take in hand? So obviously, like, I wouldn't do that with Arch. But can you install stuff? And I know on paper I'm not supposed to do that, but I don't care. I'm gonna do it anyways. And I just want to show you. Watch. This is fast fetch, guys. Man, I just wish, I'm gonna tell you guys, I just wish this technology was faster, dude. I just wish it would be like way faster than that. So you won't be installing fast fetch every morning, but still. Pas de sous-titres pour les streams? Non, désolé. Mais je suis sûr que tu peux comprendre mon anglais. Mon anglais n'est pas parfait, d'accord? Mais je pense que tu peux le comprendre sans problème. The problem with Linux is that there is too much. A fork of a fork and so on, and distro hopping is a virus. Choose one distro and optimize it how you want. So Abdul Kabir Khan, I agree with you. But you see, I'm distro hopping on a second hard drive, and I'm not really a distro hopper, to be fair. Like, I know what I want, I know what I like, but I'm trying to find a distro who could be the perfect distro for gaming without having to customize too much. That's what I'm trying to provide to this channel. I would love deep down to find a distro for gamers, not a distro for geek, not a distro for nerds, not a distro for programmer, a distro for gamer first. And you know what they do, the gamer? They go, they press a button, they install their game, and they play, that's all. Like, it's immutable, it's Arch, it's Ubuntu, it's like Debian. They don't care, man. They just want a game. And here, I feel like there is a big gap in between pressing the button and playing. You know what I mean? That's what I'm thinking about. But I have to test it in live to first like make sure this is the case, and also to show to everyone my perspective towards that. And that's why I'm doing like distro hopping. I don't distro hop personally. I switched to Arch more than 2 years ago, and I stayed, I think half a year. Yeah, this is what I did. I stayed like 18 months or 20 months on Endeavor OS, and I couldn't break the Arch. Like I loved it. Everything was working so well. So I was like, I'm gonna try something else. But I was really happy with Endeavor OS. Then I switched to Garuda because I was like, oh, this looks fancy. I stayed on Garuda for 6 months, and then I was like, maybe I should give it a try to CachyOS. And now I'm on CachyOS for 4 months. So you see, like for the last 2 years, a little bit more than 2 years, I've been running Arch. And on the side, I've been making some tests, right? Some challenges, where on my second hard drive, I will switch for 1 month to, I don't know, Mint, or like you can see on my channel, like I did a lot of challenge. But each time I went back to Arch. But Arch, I believe, is not ready for gamers, because Arch is more like a... Hard to explain. Oh, so I have to reboot? So wait. I use RPM OS 3, but if I remember correctly, there is another way to install, which is just at the user level and not at the system level. And it's not RPM OS 3, it's something else. What was it, guys? So, Abdul, thank you for sharing your opinion, but I hope you understand my perspective, okay? So Garuda seems okay for that. They have the tools to manage basic system maintenance. They have a Garuda maintenance things to fix if Arch broke. So Ablash, I agree with you, but dude, the Garuda, it's hard to maintain. You know, you say that because you are certainly like a well, you know, a solid like Linux user already. But for someone who begin, Arch is really hard, whether we give you the tool or not. It's not hard to install, it's more hard to maintain, right? Okay, so we're rebooting, boys. So some of my viewers mentioned like Bazzite could be a good alternative, and I see the value added there. I see the value added. So I'm thinking maybe if we present it a different way than it is presented like it is right now, it could be appealing to the gamers. I think a distro with those package manager you are familiar with and has the software you want at the end of the distro you should use. Oh yes, I never say the opposite, brother. Hello, Fernando. I agree with you, dude. So those are the two options, huh, dude? Flatpak and RPM OS 3. I thought there were another one, dude. Yeah, please, guys, by the way, like, if you can give like to this live, it would really help. Like, this stupid YouTube algorithm is not playing with me. So if you are not a sub, please sub. If you didn't give a like, please give a like to this live and the video you watch. You have no idea how it helps. Like, no idea, boys. Okay, so can we have... That's weird. Is my shift not working anymore? Oh, maybe my keyboard is dying, dude. I hope not. What the heck? Okay, so we are using BetterFS. Oh, and they don't have in FastFetch the logo compared to NeoFetch. Come on, bro. Come on. I only give a like to a stream when it's good. Oh no. Dude. What the? Okay. So, we got that done, boys. System is up and running. It's a little bit slow, but we got that done. Wayland was not working out of the box. Okay, so let me write everything. I might give a little review of this. So Wayland not out of the box. Super important, boys. And we had what other problem did we encounter? I think that's all right. Like I would say it was slow overall. But overall, like we are here. So now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna launch the most important, dude. Steam. Yes. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna log in. Okay, and we're gonna game. We are going to game. Hey Artanis, you got a beast PC? Yeah, not bad. I think there is better now. Like my CPU start to be old. But the good news is that I was... So there is one guy I follow on YouTube, which is really good when it comes to like overclocking and, you know, optimizing all the settings on the PC. And my PC is pretty well overclocked. Like I don't want to send me flower, but I've been overclocking since the era of like, I don't know, like for 30 years now. For more than 30 years. I'm not even kidding. And this PC is really overclocked, like to the max. And I was looking so at this YouTuber who was running a 14900K water-cooled dedicated with all the nice overclocking. Like I know this guy know how to tune, and my PC was like 10%, even less, like 8% behind in 1440p in gaming. So I'm telling you, yeah, I'm not as fast, but I'm like 8% not as fast as the fastest overclock PC right now. So I don't feel like I need to upgrade it, but it's definitely not the fastest. So far, it looks like Nobara is probably better. I don't think this is the same usage detox, right? Like when you go, listen to me, when you go with this type of distribution, like immutable, you are already here for the safety, right? And the stability. That's all it's all about. So you're going to lose in terms of like speed for upgrade, update and whatever. It's going to be a little bit slower. But then you're going to be rock solid. So this is the pro and cons of this type of distro. So no Plasma 6. I don't know if it's a bad thing, but I have the latest kernel. I don't know if it's correctly like optimized. So we're gonna see right away, like by gaming, because I can feel it right away with my setup. And the latest driver, I said, latest kernel. So we'll see, dude. Like we'll see if it's worth or not. Okay, we are logging in right now, and then I'm gonna show you. Sign in. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm gonna activate the most important, the compatibility layer. And okay, we should be fine. Yeah, it kind of takes some time, huh, guys? Like I have to say, but system is reactive. Oh, please get rid of the acceleration. Yes, sir. Okay, perfect. Library. Proton. Okay. Always the same stuff. We're gonna activate the bleeding edge here. Okay, it's gonna download that, which is good. I'm gonna try Valheim real quick, just for science. See how fast it download. I think on my VPN I'm locked at 300. Oof. I think I had a hard log there, boys. Oh man, I have a huge hard log there. That was weird. Okay. Is Team in Flatpak? Let's check. OpenRGB, Firefox. OBS Studio. The heck has this package, bro? I don't know Flatpak, but this doesn't look right, no? So I guess it's not, huh? Do you have to play with authorization to add disk? I don't think so, bro, because look. Oh, Joseph, I'm gonna ban you. This is my last. Listen, dude. Joseph, this is my last call. Okay? This is my last call, brother. Like, I don't know what you are doing right now. I don't know if you are high or something, but this is the last call, dude. Oh, wait. I'm gonna add the sound. Give me 1 second. We're gonna add the sound real quick. Where is it? Oh, I think it's this one. Joseph is a learning bot. Bro, what's wrong with Joseph? Come on, Joseph. Don't be that guy. All right, pipe wire for the sound. That would be great. Do we do a fast fetch too for the lols? Yeah, okay. Okay. So sudo no system ctl. I think it's user restart pipe wire and wire plumber. Okay, that would be the one, dude. And we're gonna go to main here, mic. And this one, I don't want it. Okay, this should be fine. So now I'm gonna launch the game and I should have the sound. So we got wire plumber, pipe wire. Should be fine now. Okay, we got the sound. Perfect. And it's loud. Sorry about that, boys. Full screen. Okay, yes. And graphic, we're gonna go quality and remove the motion blur. Smooth, okay, I like that. Hey, hello Maurice, what's up, buddy? Ablash, I really like your channel and the perspective of it. Really good to show how much Linux is capable of, even if you have an Nvidia card. Too much people think Nvidia is evil and doesn't work on Linux. Yeah, I agree with you, buddy. Ooh, ho, ho. I like it, dude. Feels fresh. Yeah. Okay, it's not bad, huh, guys? So, you see, with my custom cache OS here, I will be between 600 and 620. And here I'm more around like 600 and 580. You see? 560. You see that? You see those lows? You see those lows there? So I'm using this game because it's running natively. And also because it gives me a high FPS. So with the high FPS, it's easier to see the fluctuation, right? If you are between 60 and 62 FPS, you can see anything, right? But at 600, I can see a lot there. It's smooth. Okay, I like it, boys. It's not bad. It's not the best. Okay, like let's me be clear. But it's enough, I think. Hello NM, you are the only French I don't hate. LMAO. Salut du Québec. Hey, salut buddy. Merci pour le compliment, ok? Why do you get such high FPS in this game? When this was released, I struggled to get 550 FPS under Linux. I think they did a lot of optimization, dude. That's what I think. So let's see the problem of the hard drive. We're gonna see it right away. Okay, there is no problem, dude. Because you see, it's not a Steam, it's not a flat pack, I guarantee it. Now, let's play. I'm gonna install all of them, okay? Well, we're gonna play a little bit. Overwatch could be good, huh? Yeah, Overwatch could be good. Did you see the massive RPG mode for this game? Yes, man. Like this look awesome for Valheim. Always been a big fanboy of Valheim, but guess what? I never finished it. I didn't have time. We had, when it was released, we had a server with my community, and we will just go there and harvest stuff and have fun together. I never finished the game. Like, this is stupid, but... Hey, thank you, Xero. Appreciate it, dude. Okay, so we're gonna restart. We're gonna download everything. So outside of the fact it takes ages to install something, okay, like it takes ages. That's a fact. The rest is not bad, okay. You have an optimized system with a lot of interesting stuff installed on it, out of the box. The driver are okay. Wayland is working. It's not bad, dude. It's actually not bad. I have to say, like, I'm pretty surprised by this one. I wouldn't use it personally, okay? For my daily driver, I don't think I will be using it, but I think for someone who just start, it could be good. We just need to make some type of like tutorial in which we explain what to do right off the bat, on top of what they already propose. But you don't have a lot to do, actually. Like, I just tried it. I just wanted to use fast fetch. But I'm guessing most of the users, they won't care about that. Chimera OS might be worth a look. Okay, yeah, we could look at this too. I'm planning to test at least one distro a week, and I'm gonna make a full review when I believe it's kind of worth. Because those videos are gonna be available, right? So instead of doing a review on a virtual machine, here you really have like the full experience, right? You want to see Discord? Okay, yes, we're gonna do that. Good point, Camille. Let's do that. So I'm gonna launch Discord and I'm gonna log into it, okay? I already installed it. And we'll see if the explicit patch is on. 1 second, boys. So again, I'm gonna have to hide my screen. For safety reason. and privacy. It seemed like Joseph calmed down, so thank you, buddy, for coming down. I appreciate it. You are already motivated, that's for sure, but... Dude, what an artist is Joseph. Okay, we are in, boys. Man, I'm seeing that, and he's gonna come back. Oh! Okay, we are in. Let's see what's going on there. So the ultimate test when you're on Wayland and you have a problem, okay? No, it's patched, dude. So they have the right patch applied. So if you are on Wayland, okay, and you go on Discord and you press a letter like that, okay, you will see like your letter is gonna be like it's gonna be all broken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to share a screen and see how it goes. Ooh. So share screen. Oh, it's not black. Bro. I did something wrong, I think. Like, it's still black, no? Can I watch my own stream? That doesn't look right, no? Okay, we're gonna stop. I'm gonna try again. I've never done that before, like I don't do that, okay, so... How does it work? Entire screen, and now it doesn't work anymore. So I guess it's this one. It was working at the beginning, boys. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Desktop has this fixture, apparently. So I don't want to do desktop. And I'm gonna tell you why. You can be banned if you use third-party stuff. So I don't want to do that. You see, when I started it, it created... Oh, it's this one maybe, no? Man, it worked and then it crashed. Did you notice? It was working. It was working, boys. I'm gonna start again. Man, we almost did it, no? It was capturing the screen somehow. Okay. We are back. Ho ho, I want to share my screen. It was this one, and it was working, but now it's white. I've been using custom safe spin of Discord for years, not banned yet. Oh, ready, Gerard? Yeah, maybe I should get into it. So if I do that... Yeah, something is odd again. Okay, I don't want this thing. I don't care. Okay, I'm out. Okay, so WLAN sync works. Like it's there. Explicit sync, like the patch, it's there. Which is a good thing. Now I guess they need to work a little bit more on the rest. Okay, I'm gonna check for the alias. Okay, guys, we're gonna check for the alias. So U plus, what was it? Command. Darn it. You just. Okay, my bad. You just. So how do we set up? I thought it was already set up, but I'm gonna do it anyways. The heck? Okay, add this one. Fix screen share. So you just fix screen share. Enable XWLAN video bridge. That's all. User share application. Yeah, so it just crashed. So maybe... One second, boys. I'm gonna crash it. Yeah, I'm gonna destroy it, boys, and maybe it's gonna work. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna start again. We are not giving up, guys. Okay, it's not here. So I guess I'm gonna have to restart Discord or start it manually. Wait. WLAN. No. X. Oh, but it's a flat pack, right? Dude, that's a flat pack. How did you start a flat pack, dude? Browser, like... So what I need to do, I just need to start, run, okay, run. So flatpak, run, x, where is it? No, I don't want notification, please, boys. Not there. Am I blind, boys? Something is odd, dude. I was just sharing my opinion with you. Your videos are good. Too many distro and too many forks instead of contributing to existing projects is what held back Linux. It's very top of the Flatpak list. Hello Davius, how are you doing? Oh man, I hate Flatpak. Like, this is so stupid, man. This thing is really stupid. Like, I'm gonna have to restart this whole nonsense just to have it. Like, what is this? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, F is dude. You know what? You want to share? We're gonna reboot after, but if you want to share, like, just don't use Wayland, like. Just don't use Wayland, dude. Simple as that. Or use Victop or whatever. Like, each time I try to use this feature, it's just a headache. It shouldn't be that hard. It should be working right away. So we are at 70%. Oh, are you kidding me? Like, I was downloading it. The heck? This thing is not working too. Overwatch, please. The bridge may not be a Flatpak. Yeah. It's just stupid in my opinion. Like, we're gonna restart, but you could see, like, it was working at the beginning and it crashed. So I'm not sure it's there yet. Fallenhood. Airmax is a Linux expert. I'm not expert on Fedora. Like, I'm trash on Fedora, and I don't use Flatpak because I don't like them. So I'm really not an expert of that, I can tell you, boys. And when you come to atomic distribution, you need to relearn everything, right? You need to relearn from scratch how to manage your packages and how to deal with them. So obviously, like, I'm not an expert at all. Like, don't take this video as an expert expert feature. On Arch, I think I will be a little bit better, definitively. But it's hard today to be an expert in all the distribution on Linux. If someone tells you so, you should ask yourself, like, you know, master, I think it's master of all trades, master of nothing. This is what they say here. And in French, we say bon à tout, bon à rien. Which means, like, good to everything, good to nothing. What are you doing with the X-Wayland video bridge? So, Davius, we are testing Bazzite. And I think Bazzite, so in French, Bazzite, could be a really good contender for the Linux challenge for GLF. Because we have been thinking about Manjaro, we have been thinking about Nobara. But when I see this one, I'm like, there is an opportunity there. Jack of all trades, master of none. Exactly. That's the one. The one Crufix. Okay, we installed Overwatch. Let's go. Check your desktop application. I think there will be a listing if there is. Oh, okay. Nah. Okay, let's go and play this game real quick. I don't want the render scale. Frame rate. 600, yes. VSync off. HDR off. Okay, perfect. No, I don't want that. Okay, and then I want to see... Show frame rate, yes. Okay, so this should be fine. Isn't an expert 10,000 hours? Yeah, it's supposed to be. But you see, like, it's like... Okay, I'm gonna check the sound. Sorry guys, it's a little bit loud. You know, it's like... I'm gonna give you my feedback towards the professional gamer and gamer in general, right? From my experience, when you do, for example, competitive gaming, I can see right off the bat, if someone after 10,000 hours... No, let me rephrase that. No. You could see right off the bat if someone after 10,000 hours is an expert or not. My point is like, you could try to become an expert in something and never reach it because you just don't have what it takes. And it's not saying like you're mentally or physically not good enough. It's more like, you know, the will to do it. So when I heard this thing so much, so many things, like where someone is like, yeah, if you reach 10,000 hours in anything, you are an expert. But I don't believe it's true. I think some people, they will spend 10,000 hours in whatever thing, but they will never be like top 0.1%. So guys, at this exact point on Kashi OS, I have 600 FPS locked. And here you see the high and low at the top left. We are in between 400 and 500. It's a big loss, dude. I'm wondering if it's related to I'm wondering if it's related to Wayland. We're gonna move to X11. I used to be a pro expert in PUBG. No. I was decent in PUBG, dude. Like sometime I was able to reach like the top 10, top kill or whatever, but it doesn't make me a pro or an expert. Right? We're gonna move to X11. Okay, I want to try the performance of this. The guy will say it takes 10,000 hours to become an expert, only spend 9,000 hours, 99 chance studying expertise, so it takes 10,000 hours. Yep. More FPS equal more kills. Is it true? The error, I don't know what it was. Because it makes this sound, huh? You heard it too. Would you say that Shoko was a pro? No, I don't think he was a pro either. Like, he was a really good player, definitively, but he was not a pro either. I like being a pro will be like, you know, being competitive, like real competitive. I think Shoko was more an entertainer and a really good player. I think he still is, right? But you got the idea, right? I think I did my part too. On this game and other games, like Escape from Tarkov. But it doesn't make you a pro, right? An expert, yeah, I could have been an expert. Because I think he reached the 10,000, but he didn't need... I think this is what I'm trying to explain. Like, some people, they won't have to reach this threshold, right? Of like 10,000 hours to get there. You could become an expert after like 2,000 or 3,000 hours, right? But some people with 10,000 will never get there anyways. And again, it's not me saying like some people are dumber or not than the other. It's just the will to get there. It's just my perspective, right? So we are on X11 right now. We're gonna try. I'm gonna deactivate the compositor and we'll see. Have had reflexes, forever suck. Okay, so now the FPS are a little bit low because we are compiling, right? We'll see how high we go. So we are compiling the shader. I'm gonna wait for it to be done, and then we're gonna see like. It could be also the kernel, dude. Maybe the kernel is not that great. I'm wondering how hard it is to put like, for example, a TKG kernel on this distro, or to make a request to have. The TKG kernel included within the ISO, for example. What kind of FPS are we looking for? 600, the maximum. On Kashi OS, I reached 600 at the specific point, so we'll get to the specific point and we'll see. Right now, my FPS are low because I'm... Oh man, on X11 it feels so much better, dude. Right now, I'm compiling the shader, so it's gonna take some time. And when it's done, we're gonna go. Swapping kernel isn't very install and play friendly, I agree. But imagine if you had it directly included within the ISO, right? The one prefix. That's what I'm thinking about. Okay, here we go. So we are done now. Okay, this is not bad. But you see the fluctuation, dude? I don't know if you can see it at the top, but the fluctuation are insane. I don't know why. That's pretty good, huh, dude? It's not bad. But FPS are lower than on Kashi, that's for sure. My only issue is not really the top FPS, it's the fluctuation, you see? Nothing is happening on screen, but somehow it's going like zoom, zoom. And right now it's not important because we are in the training place. But there is some case where you really want to avoid that. I'd rather have 200 FPS, like 240 FPS fixed and not moving, rather than have those dips. So at this level with the 4090 is not important because I will never go, I guess, under the maximum frame rate that my monitor could push. But let's say you have a 3060, right? And you are struggling to get 140 FPS with your monitor. This is where you are running into trouble. Okay, so it's working. It's not bad, huh? Guys, I have to say, those details, I believe, are gonna improve with time. So it's not bad at all, dude. So in your experience so far, in this journey, what is the best distro for gaming? Getting the CachyOS kernel is pretty easy. I use it on Silverblue. And now we talk, brother. So let me check. How do you do that? Okay, let's do it now. Come on, man. Sorry for your eyes. Gonna fix that. Nice. So, official port Linux CachyOS Board and Linux CachyOS LTS on Fedora. Bro, it seems pretty straightforward, no? This is the one you used, Christian? So it comes down if you want to the ease of use or feature or what hardware do you have. You know, that's true too. Where do we see the version? Last build. Okay, so it was 13 hours ago. Yep, that's the one. I had to click the release link and use the address, that address for wget. Okay. Okay, let's do that together. So this is the thing. I can break it, no problem. I know I can do something else after that. So we're gonna try to install this baby. So check the support by following the commands. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Okay, so we are on v3 right now. SE Linux and cache OS kernel. Sudo set SE-bool p domain kernel load module on. If you are using SE Linux, enable the YAML and policy to load kernel module. Fedora workstation. Fedora server blue. Okay, so I'm gonna be stupid. This is on. Sudo get. I want this one. I had to click the release link and use that address for wget instead. Release link. Okay, so they just built those one. Got it. Okay. I don't see any trouble with this one. We'll see how it goes, okay? I think I'm right there. Yeah. I think it worked. And here what it does, it removes the old kernel and the old module and install the cache OS one. So we'll see how it goes. And I'm gonna install that too. I don't know exactly what it does. Enable RPG repository, okay. Package kernel, Yuki Wirtz. I'm gonna remove this one too. This is just try the normal Fedora one. Why would I try the Fedora one first? I don't think it would work, dude. I do believe we need to install the specific one. Hello, JustNab. With all this testing and scripting you do, why don't you design your own distro? It's too much work. And I don't have the capacity to do it. Like, you know, tweaking like that and tweaking like that is relatively easy, right? But maintaining a distro is not the same story. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't work this way. Wondering if I can just install it on top of it. Okay, so I just installed it. Old school. I want to see if we actually update everything, the initramfs, everything else. And see if we can boot on it, that's all. Because we don't care, like we can keep the other one. I like to have two kernel anyways. Could you have collaborate with the distro to have them change the item you want? I think Kashi is already doing that for, like, they're not doing that for me, but Kashi OS is definitely leading the direction I want it to go. But I agree with your point just now. But oh, it doesn't want multiple kernel, bro. So there is this one kernel. That's the virtual that blocks. So we need to find a way to remove it. So let's see the error message again. And we'll try to find a way to remove it. So how do you list DNF in info, I think it was? Oh, you don't have DNF there, huh? Do we have DNF or not? Yeah. Okay, so we can't. My bad. So search kernel. Just to see the name. Okay, that's the name of it. Watch. The Linux kernel, unified kernel image for virtual machine. So this is the one which is blocking us. So I'm gonna add it here and see if I can remove it. sudo rpm os3 uninstall. Transaction in progress, upgrade. What? Like, what the heck is going on, dude? Am I upgrading? ls the folder and cat the cache of file you get. Why would I do that? Okay, we'll do it. So watch. Name corp COPR repo for kernel. Cache OS on it. Okay, base. Okay. rpm-md. I don't know. It looks like something is wrong. I think the file is good. The only issue I have is that I have this package that I guess you don't have on the basic one. Like if you are using like Kinoit or Silverblue, you won't have this package. Here I have this package there. Kernel module. No, my bad. The kernel Yuki virt. I don't want this. So he can't install the cache module. RPM OS3 list. Let's see. Okay, you're right. Let's try this command. You're right. Yeah, trying to use the full name with version. Good point, man. I'm gonna try. That's a good one. Maybe it doesn't catch. Maybe it doesn't catch the small version of it. But the good news is like I don't care because this is the purpose of this operating system. I can break it and come back to the previous snapshot, I would say. So it won't be like a real issue. Okay, so we did it. I'm gonna try to uninstall it manually again. And the name of this one was this. Something is so wrong. I believe it's my fault, boys. Because obviously we try to tweak. But can't do it, man. This is why I love Arch so much. because it's not stupid like that. Like here, yeah, it requires like. You see, the module core, I ask them to remove it. It's here, right? Try installing the core package first. Am I not supposed to remove it? Watch. Override, remove, kernel, kernel core, kernel module core, kernel module extra. And then install kernel cache OS. That's how I see this command line here. So I try to remove it. So you want me to remove the module core first? Okay. So sudo rpm os3 uninstall. Maybe there is too much line there. Maybe he's trying to swap something we don't really have installed. And because I can't list properly what is installed or not, like this is tweaking, like stupidly tweaking. Don't do that at home, okay? Like this is the most stupid tweaking I ever done. And you can see it doesn't work. I like when we started the conversation, he was like, oh yeah, you can switch to cache OS, it's really fast. And then you are like, it's not that fast actually, huh? You know what I mean? It's like, it's not that fast. You know? It's not that funny anymore, huh? And that's the issue. Like if you really want to do like your stuff, you can do it on your own, or you need to ask, I guess, the maintainer to do it. Okay, we did it. But don't do that at home, please. Okay, this is not smart. We did it, boys! Whoa, I'm a machine! Yes! I had to scream for waking up the one at the back of the stream. We were just like sleeping down there. And I'm doing that for science, okay, boys? We'll see if the kernel actually helps. Smash all command in, one will work eventually. Listen, dude. Worst case scenario, we break it. It's supposed to be unbreakable. So if Air Max today breaks the unbreakable, it's gonna be the most watched stream in the entire universe, dude. Like it's gonna be, dude, the actual biggest. Okay, like the biggest one. Yo, Ben Solo, what's up? Like if I break it, dude, like we're gonna be top of the chart. What did we win? I'm awake now. I told you. Okay, we get there. The machine, dude. The machine. You know, I'm showing off and stuff, but we're gonna start and it's gonna be totally dead. It wouldn't be the first time. It wouldn't be the first time for sure. And it doesn't look like it's gonna be the last one too. No kernel found. Oh boy. We never change, Ben. We never change. Do you? I have a PhD in breaking things. Yeah, because I have a pretty huge D. You didn't see that one coming, and Gerard? Me neither. I don't know where you come from. But I think it works well with what you just said. Okay, guys. So we don't have the module extra. Okay, I don't care. Listen. I don't care. Are you ready? We did it. Put your seatbelts on. We are on. We are in, boys. Yeah, it's slow, but it's solid. I don't think you can break that. I don't think you can break the Bazzite. Okay, I've no idea what I'm booting on, but I'm booting it. Hey, what's up, Sharika? How are you? Oh. Oh! Only your hair, brother, not the same as the last time I saw you with Ice-T and Dar. Yeah, we are not getting younger, brother. I think we broke it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit because sometime you need to build the module related to NVIDIA. Okay? Sometimes. Are you guys scared? Are you guys scared we totally broke it? I start. Man. At least we had a good time, huh? Are you Canadian or French? I can't guess. I'm French from France. Okay? La France. But I emigrated in Canada like a few years ago. So that's why my English is so good. And you can't really tell like if I'm a real Canadian from Canada or a French immigrant based in Canada, you see? That's why you're struggling. But that's okay, man. You're all forgiven. No, it's fine. It's gonna boot in a few seconds. All right. Okay, let's see what's going on here. They say you can't break it. Well, guess what? We broke it. Yeah, we don't have the driver anymore. So here, I guess you have to reinstall the driver. Installing the kernel was like a black box experiment. It had no output, so you had no idea if it rebuilt against NVIDIA GKMS or not. Yeah, exactly. Like we are... But bro, I'm on Kashi OS, no? We are on Kashi OS, dude! We did it! Kashi kernel, papa! Now that you are in Canada, I know you are in Canada, I will look for you and give you a big kiss. Yeah. Tell that to my wife, she's gonna be happy about that. Yeah, you need RPM Fusion and installing the driver. Dude, maybe we should have done that before. Bro, we should have thought about the driver before. Where does it say Kashi OS? So if you look at the kernel line, we were on 6.7.7, I think. And you see, it's not Fedora or whatever, it's CB1. So we are definitively on the kernel of Kashi OS. But we don't have the driver anymore. Reboot and select the previous kernel to boot from. I could. Or you know what we could do? We could try to install the kernel here right now with your help. Because we have access to everything. So let me think. Sudo rpm os3 install nv. So like I can do that. So NVIDIA. I don't know. I don't even know the name of the... I know nothing, dude. I don't know the name of the thing. Package not found. Okay. So, street, search, NVIDIA. Here we go. AK mod. That's what we need. Hey, man. Wait. We have the UJust functionality, like... Do we have something related to NVIDIA there? Oh yeah, but it's not for installing. Okay, my bad. You think it's the K mod or the AK mod? I would go with the K mod, no? Meta package which track in NVIDIA kernel module for the newest kernel. We have different vision here. AK mod or K mod. Me, I would go with K mod. AK mod is provided by RPM Fusion. Ah, and K mod is provided by who? Listen. It's 50-50 here. Santa? Okay, Santa, dude. Okay. Well. Listen, it's a 50-50 there. So 50-50, I take my bet, like at the casino. We just put $1,000. $1,000 on the red. K-mod. Dash NVIDIA. Look at this. Downloading like a beast. Un peu d'humour. Oh oui. Les jeux sont faits, rien ne va plus. I don't know what they say in English. You know, when you are playing at the roulette and he throws a dice, normally the guy is supposed to say, game are done, everything is falling apart. I don't know how he says that in English. In French, they say, les jeux sont faits, rien ne va plus. You have realized Linux just caught Windows in gaming? Hey, brother, I realized that 3 years ago. No, not 3 years, 2 years and a half. So, I agree with you. It will only surpass it from now on with a Wayland, Wine, and kernel improvement. Yes, sir. Oh, so I should have went for the AK mod? Okay, he didn't like that. We're gonna go AK mod. So, 50-50, it was a failure, okay? We're gonna do the second way, alright? At this point... Come on, brother, we believe in you. We believe in you. I just wish they had that from the get-go, like running a cache Linux. Like if you had a cache kernel right off the bat, it would change the game. But now, you see, we are back on this nonsense of like, nothing work. The house win. Yeah, it does. See, boys, it just... you have the perfect example of like something which should be super simple. Like you could do in like 2 lines. And it just doesn't work. Oh, I'm gonna restart. We're gonna try to go back to the previous one. We'll see how hard it is. I guess it's this one here. Air Max. I've heard many people talk about Pulse Audio or Pipewire. What's the difference? Or what is better? Pipewire is the future. Pulse Audio is the old way to do things with audio on Linux. The Bazzite tool to install driver. So what is the Bazzite tool, dude? Let's see if we find the command. So for the Upjust, you don't have a tool to actually install it. That's the thing. You don't have a tool. Like, it's just to modify the configuration. And I think the issue is that our initramfs is not well done. So I have a buddy. Wait. I have a buddy who created a tutorial in French. Maybe it could work. Wait. Because he spent some time on it. Let's see if it's actually useful, this thing. Yeah, here we go. This is what he has done. Oh, there is drag cut, dude. I didn't know that. Xorg 11. So you need AK mod, Xorg 11. So you see we were missing packages there. This is what we need, boys. Yeah, you see, so it's AK mod, Xorg 11. Bro. That's all we need to install. You should make a video comparing Silverblue with CachyOS kernel with the CachyOS distro. Oh, there is nothing in Ujust. We checked already, Gerard. So I'm gonna try to do something, dude. Because... let me check. We're gonna do it old school. Command. Okay, so I'm gonna do it really old school, boys. Don't do that at home at all. Okay, like, don't do it, because this will be really stupid. Okay. So he made a script which does apparently everything. So we're gonna use it. And we're gonna see if we can force it. Dude, I'm not giving up on this. I'm not giving up on this. So we're gonna go on the previous one and see. This build, the Initram FS. If you change something, sudo touch. Yeah, I think we need more than that. We need more than the Initram FS. Because the drivers are not there. But you're right, it could be the Initram FS too. Could be that. If you are using NVIDIA image, but the NVIDIA driver is not loaded. If you are not using secure boot. Oh, wait. If you are not using secure boot or have already enrolled the above key, you just configure NVIDIA driver, configure NVIDIA-k args. If you are not using secure boot or have already enrolled the above key, Okay. You are right. You are right. Okay. I'm gonna do it. Maybe it's just stupid as that. If it's stupid as that, that would be great. If it's stupid as that, we might have a good contender there. Because installing the new kernel is one line, and with this one, it will be 2 lines. So we are learning, right? I don't want to still bash the distro. But it could be really, really awesome, boys. By the way, the one Crufix, thank you very much for asking to everyone to give a like to this video. Appreciate it, dude. We need to break this algorithm, guys. We need to have like 1,000 of viewers. That would be great, actually, but I'm pretty sure we'll get there. And now he's generating the Initram FS. Oh! Oh! Hello, Dr. Nutri-George. What's up? Man, this could be awesome, actually. Ice cream with tequila for everyone if it's work? Why did you choose tequila, bro? Not sure if I like the whole hiding the debug output, but whatever. Yeah, same. Even, did you notice, Camille was asking me, like, when you install an application through the GUI, it would be great to see how it's actually installed, right? It's a Steam Deck OS to desktop project. Is it really, Dr. Nutri-George? Because the way they present it, it's more like the way they present it, it's a project for the handheld, but also for the desktop and the HTPC, dude. At least that's the way I got the info from their website. So in terms of vision, I'm like, you know, What drink do you prefer, my brother? Man, you know you're gonna be laughing at me, but I'm not really into drinking anymore. Like I like to drink a lot. Enfin, a lot. Okay. okay. We slow down here, guys. We slow down. I like to drink. Like I like drinking. Maybe not a lot, but I enjoyed it a lot. Does it make sense? But I don't drink anymore. Like almost none. Maybe it's because of my age. Hey, don't take it bad, Dr. Nutri George. We are just talking, right? Well, NVIDIA kernel module missing. Falling back to nouveau. No! No, I'm pretty sure we are on CachyOS right now. Enfin, CachyOS. We are on the Cachy kernel. Don't get anyone confused, Armax, please. Yeah, you see I'm still on the right kernel. So, no, we are good. Listen. They want to do it dirty to us? No problem. AK mode is just not there, dude. I'm telling you straight, it's just related to that. There is some things that block us to install the module here. But I don't know what it is because I suck at Fedora. Give me 1 second, boys. Problem solved. Do you feel it, dude? It's coming, the first! It's coming, dude! No, it's coming! It's coming really hard! Oh no! Nice. Oh, you're dead! Let me teabag you. Yeah, sorry guys. What does you just NVIDIA set cards do? I have no idea, dude. I have literally no idea. I agree, like it's just related to how to regenerate the init RAM-FS. I think this is what it is. Hello Torrent. I just had to take a break, so I put some video from my past. I think those are good too, Christian. Because this, what we are doing is just, I don't know where. Let me check. Yeah, I don't even know where I put those things. I don't even know how it works. Because normally it's related to Dracut, right? Let's see what my buddy is doing when you want to install this. Maybe I should uninstall all of them and reinstall, and it's gonna generate everything properly. Hello Khalid. I don't have any problem with Linux. I'm just trying a new distro and try to do things differently, dude. Oh, thanks for the advice. Appreciate it, man. Okay, I'm gonna start that in the wild just to see what's going on. You see, everything is already well set. Everything was already well set. Like if you look at it, so it's in French, but what he's saying is like the argument for the kernel blacklist is already defined. The blacklist in modprobe is already defined. The mod set is already defined. Everything was there. Hey, thank you, the one Crufix. Thanks for being around again, bro. Have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. So it's just like related to the initram FS. But this time, with this script, for whatever reason, it's gonna work. So my buddy did a great job there. I think he's gonna save our stream there. He's gonna save it. Santa Cardiac. I think he spent like the last 3 weeks on this distro. And what he does like those nice little scripts from time to time to set up stuff. And he shared it in the Discord we are in, and I was like, that could be interesting, so could be using it there. And it looked like it's gonna work. Finger crossed. Nothing to be ashamed of. I do not drink either, so Coca-Cola, it is with some nuts. Okay, dude. Thanks for the advice. Downloading Windows 11 right now. No, but I think Khalid was trying to give us a real advice, okay? Like, I think he was down on his art. He was like, just stop having issue, right? But the truth is, like, with Casio OS, I have no issue. Like, I'm just enjoying it. I'm enjoying the ride. But I'm streaming those type of events for us to have fun, because I think it's funny to do that, but also to learn. Okay, so I guess, what did he do there? Well, we don't really care about what you do. Like, let's try to do one problem at a time, okay? I think he added some repo, and that's why we have a conflict there. But we don't care because he did regenerate the initram FS, so that will be like hopefully like the way out of this issue. Issue we did create, by the way. It was not related to the OS. OS was working fine, not fine enough to my taste, and that's why we wanted to kind of like customize it. But the customization was like a little bit rough on the edge. Allez, papa. Ah. There is some type of module missing. And you know what it could be? It could be related to... to the module. You know, I had to uninstall some module. Guys, you remember the name of the module I had to uninstall? When I switched kernel, you remember I had to switch some modules. So let's see. Here we go. Module, kernel module extra. And kernel module, you see? I didn't add those one. Kernel module extra and kernel module. Okay, so let's see if we can add them. Now I'm thinking about it. Sudo rpm os3 install Linux kernel module Linux kernel module extra. You get the idea? That could be the reason why. Now I'm thinking about it. There were no Linux? Okay, my bad. So it was just kernel module like that. And no S. Here. Thank you, guys. Oh. So, you know what it is, guys? I think the repo we're trying to install doesn't have the specific module, dude. You see the difference? That's what I'm thinking, boys. Because, watch, this kernel module is related to the fsync, but not the other one. Maybe it's just that the what is just... I think I'm missing both. No, you see both of them. So somehow when you switch the kernel, it has to come with a module extra, but they were not maybe provided with the copper source we have for CachyOS. You see? Yo Karim, t'as pas la flemme de passer par un sudo à chaque fois? J'ai tellement de flemme, tu imagines même pas. Okay, reboot. Okay, we're gonna avoid. We forget this idea of the CachyOS kernel. It's done. Long gone, boys. Too complicated. And you see, like, this is the first wall you hit when you try to really customize the stuff, right? Man, I think we are in trouble, boys. I think we are in trouble. If he only conserves 2 images, we are done. I just broke it. Yeah, I broke it. It's game over, boys. Well, I had to end the stream somehow. But yeah, I think it's game over. I think it's game over, boys. Because I made 2 updates and the third one didn't start. Did you notice? So I'm gonna try the 4th one. Yeah. It's broken. We broke it. I thought it was awesome. And you can broke it. You can break it. Well, guess what? We destroyed it, dude. Imagine someone came and seeing this for half an hour of Bazzite. Prashant. Okay, listen. I explained many times that... Listen. I explained many times that it's all my fault, okay? Because I'm trying to do something stupid. And they certainly did a good job there, okay? I think I can fix it, dude. I can fix it, no worries. Stay with me. We're gonna fix it just for saying we fixed it. What? I could always ask on their Discord. Yeah, but you see, that's the thing. We are live right now. I don't want to put them under pressure to do anything. And, you know, that's not the point, right? Point was just to try on our own. Just to go there. And again, I'm not a model. Like, don't take, this video as this is what it is or whatever, because I'm pretty sure someone who has more experience in this type of environment will do way better than me. Like, don't get me wrong, okay? I would say like my area of expertise is just looking at how it performs in game. Okay, and what we have seen out of the box, it was not performing as good as the other distro. This is what is important right now. You want the performance? Well, go toward a Nobara, go toward a Arch, go toward a CachyOS. This one is performing well, but what you really gonna get out of this distro is the immutability, which means like it won't break. So obviously, if you do stupid thing like we did, we're gonna break it, okay? But you are trading the safety of the OS versus the performance, the extra like 10%, 15% performance you would have on other distro. This is what you are doing. Then the question you should ask yourself is that, do I want to do this trade-off or not? I'm very good, thank you. Thank you, Ben Solo. It can be broken if we pin a working state. Then we can always go back to the pin state also. Yeah, that's a good point, Christian. I didn't do it well. Like, again, like, don't follow me. I also do that for the show, go all in and have fun and do stuff like that. But again, like, it's not a reference video. It's more like a live video. Then if I do a review of this video, I'm going to try to be as, objective towards the distro. But you could see some of the traits right off the bat. Like, you want to switch kernel. This is a type of like time you're gonna have to spend there. You didn't make a snapshot, so you make snapshot. But as I understand it, there is only 4 of them, and the more snapshot you make, the more it erases the other one. So what you have to do is like pin one of them, and by pinning, it means this snapshot is working. Don't touch it. Okay, so now we see if we have a kernel or not, boys. Wow! Was the gaming good? It's not bad, but it's not the best. It's not bad, but it's not the best. La petite morale en fin de vidéo? Yes. Always. No, we broke it, dude. We broke it. So I think this is the end of the stream. We had good fun. We had good fun. I'm going to conclude, guys. I'm going to conclude with this. So let me tell you. The installation was one of the longest I ever had, but it's certainly related to the nature of the distro. I think it has most of all the features you require to game. Like, if you are a gamer and you don't care about this 10 extra % of performance, and you don't really care about your 1% low, you're more into like, you know, playing solo games, this type of stuff, I think it would be a great distro. Even maybe competitive gaming, because it seems that he has explicit, like he has a lot of like good perk. However, on the first install, like Wayland was not working out of the box. With NVIDIA, I had to make an upgrade. After the upgrade, we had Wayland working, which was pretty good. On my gaming test, I noticed that the overall like performance in terms of like FPS was a little bit lower than what I would have on a custom like Arch distro. Like whether you do it on your own or if you use like a CachyOS or let's say another like custom like base game distro like Nobara, you're gonna be a little bit behind. And then you have the problem related to the immutable in English. You trade the safety of you being able to, you know, pin a snapshot and come back and never have a black screen when you boot, because you can always roll back, toward like the extra performance and also like the, I would say like versatility and flexibility that a Linux distro would give you. So when I'm thinking about that, is like we tried to switch the kernel and it didn't work. You can roll back towards the stream and see how we struggled. Yeah. So this is the trade-off. You lose a little bit of perf and like flexibility toward what you want to install and how you want to manage it. But you have like the rock stable type of experience. This is what it's all about. But overall, I would say it was not bad, dude. It was not bad. If you are not like me, which I like to tweak, I like to go under the hood and do my own stuff. I think it would be really good for you. Yeah, that's all. I think it's a good conclusion. No, guys, what do you think? It seems like this is an out-of-the-box configuration that doesn't like tickering, that's for sure. Yeah, it would be great, Christian, but the problem with that is the fact that I'm pretty sure we should arrive on the same type of performance. That's why I really try to install the CachyOS kernel here. But maybe there is some type of extra layer we don't know about. I think you should prompt to make a snapshot at each update. Yeah, maybe you should. But yeah, we are done. We are done with this one. We gave it a try. You know, if I really wanted to use that, I think I will put it on a laptop. Or I will put it on a little PC under my main living room. You know. Because this is the type of PC you want one install and you don't want to tweak it. You just want it to work. That will be really like what I would use it for. But I already had this problem when I was playing with Kinoit. It's a mess when you try to really get deeper. So installing the driver, like switching two things, like it's okay. Switching the kernel, it's a little bit harder, I think. And some of the application, sometimes it's hard to install. Like you don't have the URL like Arch and everything. So you got the idea. But I think it's in terms of gaming, I will put it above definitively like Silver Blue of Kinoit because it comes with a lot of things. And if you are not a tweaker, that might be a really, really good solution for you. Because now your OS is unbreakable. Guys, I am out. And I can say now, we did break the unbreakable OS. Dude, we did it, we break it. That was pretty fun. Guys, have a great rest of your day, a great weekend. I am out, I have a lot of things to do. And yeah, see you on Wednesday for a live. And I think next week I'm gonna do only one live, okay? So I will decide what type of distro we're gonna go through. It's gonna be the same concept. We take a distro and we play with it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I am out. Take care. And as we say in French, bisous bisous.